Let's deep dive again to each one of the command we learned. First command is LES. It shows how many files and how many directories are present. Next command is ls-l. You can see it shows long listing. Third command is ll. It shows also the same long listing. Now ls-lrt. It shows based on the time. Latest creation time always comes to the bottom. As LRT it shows in human readable format. So suppose these are the file were of very small size, but if there are files in GBs by ls-lrt, you will not be able to quickly identify that how much size of the file is. It will show like these numbers only. It will show numbers like 18, 24, 56, anything which is larger number. But with ART-H option, you will get to know that it is MB or GB. Okay, now we will create hidden file. So when we create a file, we have to put .touch.data1. If you see with ls-lrt, you are not able to see that data1 file. To see that, you have to put option LLS-A. A option is to check hidden files and directories. Now you can see you are able to see the few hidden files as well. And we can see the data one is. This way we can create hidden files in the Linux. Let's see what is the meaning of ls-lsh. It will also show like by size wise. Earlier, if you see, earlier it was coming, IBM was down. But now it is showing the higher file sizes on the top. Now check ls-r. We will check if there is any directory structure present. Yes, inside, it's saying inside IBM, there is a directory structure present. Now we will try to find multiple files together. Create first some text files. Like touch, we can create anyone. Now suppose we are creating the file from 1 to 10 and we are giving it .text. Now if you see the difference, few files don't have the extension. Now we wanted to find the file only with that having extension. So what we have to do, we have to put star.txt. This way it will find only the text file. Same way if we go to where Linux system logs are generated. If you can see here, if you want to find out only the log files, then we can do star.log. It will give only the log files output. Same way we can try ls-li. If you see, it is giving the inode number as well. These are the inode numbers of the file. In there, you can always check the main command like man ls or man cp or even man cat. There are man pages which gives full information of the command with examples. So you can always read that what is the meaning of ls and its options. And you can always come out of this by pressing Q. Now let's learn for the cp command as well. Suppose we wanted to copy cpxyz9 or to root. Now what it is saying, xyz9 is not present because I did not give .txt option. Now it will copy. Let's check from here only that the file was copied here or not. So I said, see, file is there now. And what is the meaning of I command? Suppose if I press cp-i, then I am going to copy xyz date file to root. Let's check. Okay. Now it is asking because we are copying the data from one file to another file. It is kind of taking a backup of the file. So it is asking now whether we want to copy or not. We will say no. Same way, if you wanted to copy only the txt file, then we have to give star.txt to root. It will copy all the file from. Now let's check if file was copied to root. So all the file were copied to root. P means reserve the permission. R means it can copy the directories as well, including the files and directories. Suppose if we don't give the R option and we wanted to copy cp-IBM, we wanted to copy IBM to root. Now it is saying R is not specified because it's a directory. Same I told you. So in production environment, usually these are the commands that most of the time use. One is ls, lrt, other is ls. Lat means finding the hidden files. cp-pr command. Sometimes like ls star.txt. Like if we just wanted to find out only the files with the extension. So these are the three commands mostly used in production environment. Now let's check the move command. Move mv command is used to rename the file. Suppose we wanted to rename the file 9 with data. Now let's check. See, it has converted 9 to data. Now 9 file is not there. Same way we can do with star.txt files, and we want to move with the name data. So move command is used for two reasons. One is to move the file from one place to another place. And one is to change the name, renaming it. Suppose I wanted to move all the file from txt to root. Now what it will do, it will remove all the text file from root to root. It is asking you want to do or not. And if you use cp-prvxyz, now what it shows, it's showing verbose mode. Means it will show what happened in background. Earlier, you were not able to know like what was happening in the background. So for cat option mostly, we use, suppose we are putting some data in the file. If we want to check at which line it is, we can put cat-n file 1. It will show that this is line 1. If you add one more line, let's check adding one more line. Now check cat-n final. Now it shows 2 lines. So you can use the cat command for this as well.